our 2-pan bain-marie. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 13¼ inches, a depth of 21 inches, and a height of 10 inches tall. Supplied will be 2 pans with lids, and the measurement for each pan will include 12¾ inches in length by 10¼ inches in depth. Measurements for the interior, with the pans removed, we have 12¼ inches in length, 20 inches in depth by 6 inches in height. Located in the back are 2 meters. One is the minimum and one is the maximum for the water. Pans can be removed and inserted back on top. Coming to the front will be the power switch, along with the temperature gauge and light indicator. Back at the bain-marie, we have the ETL certification and the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.